So welcome to today's session, and you all know that today you're all having a GK class. So hope you're all having a GK books in the hand. Can I see your books? Yes. So what we were doing in the last session? So do you people remember that? What we were doing? Till where we have stopped? Till where we have stopped? Universe chapter is completed, isn't it? It is completed. No, it is not completed. Okay. Tell me where I have stopped, Shubhan. Till where I have stopped. Can you just tell me? Unmute. In points, in Mars. Yeah, that is the end of the chapter. That's all we have. We don't have much other than that. Unmute, Shubhan. You can't unmute her. Okay, wait. Mohita, can you unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
Where I have stopped it for you, Mohita? Can you just tell me?
Ma'am, still to Earth, ma'am.
Earth. Okay, that's all. Only till Earth you have. That is the chapter closes there. That's all is there in the chapter. And QA session is pending, isn't it? Yes, that QA session I'll do. So what, Shubha? No. Unmute and tell me, or else
Yes, ma'am. Now I can unmute. Ma'am, we were ma'am, in the last session you had asked that speech and last to last question when we started universe chapter. At that time we were in the our solar system, and we had completed 4 points. At that time you got disconnected and the meeting was ended.
Yes, that was not a disconnected part actually, Shubhan. So that is where I had stopped your last session. So you can stay on a mute now. So hope you're all having a book. Give me a 2 minutes. I'll just share your PPT. I'll just share your screen. And all of you sit straight. Fold your hands. All of you sit straight, fold your hands. Okay. So now we'll go on with our universe QA session. I'll just show you. Wait a second. Yes. So before that, wait. Yes. I wrote this chapter 2 times. Wow, very good. So before going on to that particular GK session, in the last session, I haven't asked some of the people about the personalities. First, I'll complete off that assignment, then we'll go to our session. Is that fine with you people? And before that, we'll just play a quiz. Okay, so we'll play a quiz and then we'll move on to it. So, or if you enable your videos, your quiz questions, I'll be start asking with you people. So all of you enable the videos. So please do enable your videos. Okay. And your first question is here. Have a look into your first question. The first question is, so you people will be using this. So in which of the year your first iPhone has been launched? iPhone has been launched firstly in which year? Wrong, Shubhan. Wrong. Not getting a correct answer. So on which year it is? Enable your videos, everyone. Very good. One person gave second. Okay, but I missed your name. Satya is the third person. Vaibhav, very good. Samath, very good. Manasu, very good. That is in the year 2007. So on the year 2007, the first iPhone was been launched. Okay, so 2007 is the correct answer. So we'll go on with the Next question, and the next question is, the tallest building in the world is located in which city? The tallest building in the world. Very good. So many of the people are giving me the correct answer, and it's the correct answer. That is Dubai. So in Dubai, there is a tallest building. And your third question. So there is India's, you have one river, that is your India's longest river in the world. That is the longest river in the world. And in the name, in the same name only, you have a company name. Which is that? The company name, river name is the same. I'm talking about, listen to the question carefully. I'll disable your chat session if you are answering before the question. Which company is also the name of the one of the longest river in the world? I'm not asking about the largest river. I'm asking about the longest river. Very good, Aryan. Your answer is correct. Very good, Samarth. And then very good, another person. I missed out the name. Very good, Aryan. Very good, Bhavish. So that is Amazon. Amazon is the longest river. You don't know Amazon. You're all telling Nile, Ganga. You have Ganga company. Do you have Nile company? Have you ever seen that? You people are the owner of that. Then how can you people tell? I'm telling you to listen to the question carefully. You people are so hurry. Okay. And the next question. How many, so we are all having the hearts, right? How many hearts are there for the human being? Only one. There are two, right? Are you sure? Oh, somebody said two. You people have a two hearts, huh? Where is your second heart and the first heart? Whatever ma'am tells, yes, it is correct only, right? You don't know that you have only one heart, Anta. I'll tell you, we people are having 10 hearts. You people will tell, yes, ma'am, we are all having 10 hearts, Anta. Okay. Tell me now, how many hearts does an octopus is having? For octopus, how many hearts will be there? Very good, Aryan. Very good, Arya. And then very good, Abhi. And very good, Vaibhav. So for octopus students, there will be 3 hearts. Okay. So there will be 3 hearts. Remember, for octopus, how many hearts will be there? 3 hearts. Do not ask me where the hearts will be there. I cannot go and operate the octopus now. Okay. So there will be 3 hearts. Remember this. They might ask you in your exam. So now we'll move on to the next session, the assignment session, whatever I gave you people to talk about the personality. And with this today's session, I'll complete off your assignment. And again, from the next session onwards, again, I'll not go on with the assignment. Okay. So from next session onwards, we'll start up the new chapter. Is that fine? And the QA, we have to complete this, we will do it. So people who haven't answered me, please raise your hands. People who haven't answered for the assignments. I know who has answered, who has not answered, but still for the clarification I'm asking, please raise the hand. Yes, now I'll come one by one. Before that, all of you enable the videos, and whatever the personalities you have prepared, others you can start writing about them now. And first I'll go with Satya. Yes, Satya, unmute and talk about the personality. And in the meanwhile, I'll take the attendance, okay? Log in your names. Yes. You can write it in the notes backside.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, Lala Lajpat Rai was born on 28 January 1865 and he died on 17th November 1828. Ma'am, he was an Indian independence activist, or he was also an extremist. Ma'am, then he was also very motive in Indian independence movement.
Okay.
Ma'am, he was one of the Lal, Bal and Pal.
Okay.
Ma'am, he was also called Lion of Punjab.
Very good, Satya. That's all, Satya. Okay, you can stay on a mute, Satya. Now we'll go with Akshara. Yes, Akshara.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, go ahead,
Ma'am,
Akshara.
Ma'am, I have prepared of Rani Lakshmi Bai. Ma'am,
Yes.
she was born on 21st November 1828 in Uttar Pradesh. Her childhood name was Manikarnika and Manu, and her nickname was Manu. Rani Lakshmi Bai was the queen of the Maratha ruled princely state of Jhansi, situated in northern.
Couldn't hear you. Your video got stuck. Okay, you can stay on a mute. Now, Sani, if you're not enabling your video, guys, I'm gonna ask you, okay? Yes, Sani.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead with whatever the personality you have prepared.
I have prepared of Rani Lakshmi Bai.
Go ahead.
She was born on 21st November 1828 in Uttar Pradesh. She died on 18th June 1858. Her childhood name was Manikarnika and her nickname was Manu. Rani Lakshmi Bai was the queen of the Maratha ruled princely of Jhansi, situated in northern part of India. She was one of the leading warriors of the Indian struggle of independence. On one day of 17th June 1858, Rani Lakshmi Bai gave her life for the Indians' freedom. Thank you.
That's all. Okay, fine. Thank you, Sani. You can leave your hand down now. Yes, Anjan. Go ahead, Anjan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, now I'm going to talk about B.R. Ambedkar, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Ma'am, he was born on 14th April 1891 in Madhya Pradesh, ma'am. He is the first Law Minister of India. He was awarded for Bharat Ratna in 1990. He is a politician as well as a social reformer. He is known as father of Indian Constitution. His full name is Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. His mother's name is Bhima Bai Sakkal. His father's name is Ramji Maloji Sakkal. His mother died at the age 38. He gave the slogans, "They cannot make history who forget history. Life should be great rather than long. If I find Constitution being misused, I shall be the first one to burn it. Cultivation of mind should be the ultimate aim of human existence." And he died on 6 December 1956.
Very good, Anjan. I'm really shocked with your fluency. That was a good one. So now you can leave your hand down. So now we'll go with our next person, that is Niharika. Yes, Niharika. Niharika, can you please unmute and start talking? Yes, Niharika.
I am going to speak about Chacha Nehru. He was born on 14th November 1889. He was the first Prime Minister of independent India. The famous slogan given by him, it is, "Who lives in India dies." Who lives in India dies. He was an politician party. He was an politician party. Even he is also known as Chacha Nehru. We lost Chacha Nehru in 27th May 1964.
That's all?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, dear. Very good. You can stay on a mute now. So now we'll go with our next person. You can leave the hand down now, Niharika. And now we'll go with Bhavishya. Yes, Bhavishya. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
go
ma'am.
ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I prepared about Sir C.V. Raman, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead, dear. Start talking.
Sir C.V. Raman was born on 7th November 1888 in Tiruchirappalli in Madras. He was an inventor, explorer, and a scientist. He is the first Indian to win Nobel Prize for Physics and Science.
His father was Chandrasekhara Ramnath Iyer and his mother was Parvati Amal. Aged just 14, Sir C.V. Raman set up for the great city of Madras, which is known as Chennai, and he was awarded with Bharat Ratna in 1954. He married Lok Sundari Ammal and they had 2 sons, and he attempted the FCS exam, which is Financial Civil Service Examination. He topped the exams and won a gold medal in the exam, and he was died on 21st November. That's it, ma'am.
Very good, Bhavishya. You can stay on a mute. You can leave your hand down now. And now I'll go with Susain and Subhash. I think in the last session, only one person has spoken. Isn't it? Who spoke in the last session?
I'm Susain, ma'am.
Okay, now it is the turn for Subhash. Please go ahead, Subhash.
Ma'am, I will say about Gopala Krishna Gokhale, ma'am.
Go ahead.
He was born on 9th May 1866. He was born in Bombay. He was a political leader and he founded the servants for Indian society, ma'am. He was a professor and politician, and he died. Gandhiji considered as a political guru, and he died on 19th February 1915.
Very good, dear. You can stay on a mute and you can leave your hand down now. And now we'll go with our next person, that is Adinath. Adinath, you can unmute. Yes, Adinath, start talking about the personality that you have prepared for. Okay. Your voice is breaking, Adinath.
Academician and a trader. He was the co-founder of Indian National Congress. He was the first Indian to demand Swaraj home rule. He was the first Indian to be elected to the House of Commons. He was also known as the Grand Old Man of India. He died on 30 June 1917.
Very good, Adinath. You can stay on a mute now, dear, and you can leave your hand down. And we'll go with our next personality, Mohita. I think, Mohita, you spoke in the last session. Can you unmute, dear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I did not.
You haven't spoken?
No.
Okay, go ahead now. You're on a mute. Unmute.
Ma'am, ma'am, I will tell next, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm writing something.
Okay, fine. Yes. You can stay on a mute. Yes, Pushchita.
Yes, ma'am.
Go.
I talk Jawaharlal Nehru, ma'am.
Yes, go ahead.
Ma'am, Jawaharlal, ma'am, he was born on 14 November 1889. That day we celebrated as Children's Day. He was a first Prime Minister of independent in India. He was known as Chacha Nehru. He was the political party at Indian National Congress. The famous slogan give by him include Aram Haram Hai, Purana Swaraj, and who lives in India dies. And he was died on 27th May
1964.
Very good, dear. You can stay on a mute and you can leave your hand down now. And now we'll go with Atharva. Yes, Atharva.
Ma'am, I prepared for Jawaharlal Nehru.
Okay, go ahead, dear.
Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889, and that day we celebrate Children's Day. He was the first Prime Minister of independent India. He was known as Chacha Nehru. He was political party of Indian National Congress. He died on 27th May 1964.
Very good, Atharva. Atharva, you can stay on a mute and you can leave your hand down now. And now we'll go with our next person, Shiva. You can unmute Shiva. I think in the last session, even you spoke.
Yes, ma'am.
You spoke, right, in the last session?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can, and you can leave the hand down. So one time you can speak. Yes, Akshara.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, go ahead.
Ma'am,
Akshara.
I prepared.
You can
yes, ma'am.
continue from wherever you have stopped.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I can continue from the first only.
Okay, fine, dear. Go ahead.
Ma'am, I have prepared of Rani Lakshmi Bai. She was born on 21st November 1828 in Uttar Pradesh. Her childhood name was Manikarnika and her nickname was Manu. Rani Lakshmi Bai was the queen of Maratha ruled princely state of Jhansi, situated in the northern part of India. She was one of the leading warriors of India's first struggle for independence. On the unfortunate day of 17th June 1858, Rani Lakshmi Bai lost her life for India's freedom. She died on 18th June 1858. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. You can stay on a mute and you can leave your hand down now. Now we'll go with our next participant, Bhuvana. Yes, Bhuvana.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Today I'm going to speak about Dadabhai Naroje. He was born on 4th September 1825. He was born in Mumbai. He was the first Indian to elect to the House of Commons, the lower house of British Parliament. He was the first Indian to demand Swaraj. He was known as Grand Old Man of India. He was an academic, politician, and trader. And he died on 30th June 1917.
Very
Thank
good.
you.
Thank you. You can stay on a mute now and you can leave your hand down, Bhuvana. And Aryan, yes, Aryan. Samarth, only one chance, Samarth. Leave the hand down. Yes, Aryan. Only one chance, dear. Go ahead.
Ma'am, I will say about Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey was born on 19 July 1827. He was an Indian sepoy, Sipahi of 34th Native and 34th Bengal Native Infantry Regiment. On 29th March 1857, he attacked on the British officer, which was the first incident of sepoy mutiny.
Okay.
On 1984, Indian government assured the postal stamp of Mangal Pandey.
Aryan, you have a lot of network issues here. I'm really sorry I'm muting you because your voice, we cannot able to hear properly. It's not coming properly. Make sure that you're going to have a good network connection from the next time onwards. And Mohita, now you have to tell because you're the only one who is left it out here. So will you tell?
Yes, ma'am, I will tell now.
Yes.
Ma'am, I learned about Jawaharlal Nehru. Ma'am, I made this one.
Okay, can you just zoom it a bit? Okay, good. Now, go ahead.
I learned about Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India. He served 17 years as a PM. He was known as Chacha Nehru. He was the uh, he was the freedom fighter, and he given the slogan Haram Haram Hai, Purna Swaraj, who lives India dies. He was political party at Indian National Congress. He born on 14th November 1889. That day we celebrated as Children's Day. We lost him in 27th May 1964. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Mohita. And I really like the presentation you did. And this is from my side to you.
Ma'am.
And now you
Thank
can
you, ma'am.
stay on a mute and leave your hand down. Yes, Rachana. I think Rachana, you said. You did not said, Rachana?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Go ahead, dear.
Hello everyone, today I am going to say about Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji was started as political leader at 1825 to 1917. Was a political leader and one of the founders of Indian National Congress, a leading nationalist author and spokesman. He was the first Indian to be elected to membership in the British Parliament. Dadabhai Naoroji was born into a leading Parsi family in Mumbai. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. You can stay on a mute and leave your hand down now. And I hope everybody is spoken. And second chance will not be given to you. And Urvi, you want to tell something? No, second chance will not be given. And I liked all of your presentation, but I love it the chart that you have people done, especially Urvi and then the Mohita and then the Shubhan. You people had made a nice presentation. So even though you had your school classes and also your tutorial classes, in between that you spent the time to do that, and somewhat you people have learned something by doing it. I'm really happy for that. And from the next assignment onwards, I'm expecting these kind of creative things from you people. Okay, so it should be creative than the one. Okay, so if Shubhan does, or if Shubhan does, Urvi should not do the same chart. Urvi can go with an other way by using her own ideas. Okay, so I need that innovative and creative things in my class from your next session onwards. So will I get that when I give the assignment to you people? Yes? Very good. So now all of you enable your videos. And we still have another 10 to 15 minutes. If I start the chapter, I cannot complete that. So we'll move on to our quiz session again. But here there is one rule. Whomever the person, now I'll be disabling your chat session. So the rule of the quiz here on this GK is, I will ask the question and only that person should answer to my question. And people should not raise the hand. If you're raising the hand, I will never ask the question to you. Got this? But before that, everybody should enable the video. Okay. So we'll move on to the session now, the quiz session. You have to sit straight, finger on the lips. Whenever I ask you to unmute, then only you have to unmute. Got this? Okay. So now we'll go with the first person, that is Akshobhya. Unmute, dear. Akshobhya. Unmute. Unmute, you can unmute. Okay. There is a lot of disturbance. I don't know what is that. For your disturbance only, I should mute you, man. Okay, fine. Listen to the question, Akshobhya. Later, I will unmute you. So the question everybody can listen. Only if you're sitting straight, you will be there in the session, or else you will be removed. Your fingers should not move from your lips. Samar, and then Abhiram, and Shiva. You're showing your teeth. Okay, fine. So we'll go with a question. So Akshobhya, which is the national fruit of India?
Ma'am, mango.
Very good. You can stay on a mute now. Very good, Akshobhya. And the next question that goes to everybody should enable the video. I can see some of the people haven't enabled the video. You will be removed from the session. Remember that. Okay. Enable the video. Hita, where are you? Yes, unmute. So which is the national aquatic animal of India?
Dolphin.
Huh?
Sorry.
Sorry, what is that? Aquatic animal.
Dolphin only.
Dolphin.
Huh.
Huh? Are you sure? Is it a dolphin?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it an aquatic
The
animal?
one is lotus. Animal is dolphin. No?
Aquatic animal, I'm asking. Are you sure it is a dolphin?
I'm not getting
Listen
it.
to the question carefully. Which is the national aquatic animal of India?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Which is the answer? Shall I keep it as final? Last answer. Tell me. Quickly. Your friends are waiting.
I don't know.
Dolphin only?
Hmm.
Very good. It is the correct answer. So you should be confident with your answer. You are not confident with your answer. You are telling no, ma'am, no, ma'am, Anta. Huh? It's the correct answer, Hita. Very good, Hita. So now we'll go with the next person. That is Akshara.
Yes, ma'am.
Akshara, tell me, which is the national heritage animal of India?
I'm tiger.
National heritage animal of India. Don't know?
Don't know, ma'am.
Okay, Akshara. Wait, let us see. Your friends will answer or not. So now we'll go with the yes, Aryan. Aryan. Are you there, Aryan? Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the
Ma'am,
national?
Indian elephant.
What?
Indian elephant.
Very good, Aryan. Aryan answer is correct. Elephant. Okay, that is the national heritage animal. Okay, so the national heritage animal is elephant. Got this, everyone? Got it? Now we'll go with the next person. Urvi. Urvi. Wait. Can you unmute Urvi?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the national sentence of India? What is the national sentence of India? What, man? Dikara, dikara. You're telling like this. What is that? Huh? Leave your hands. Keep your hands, finger on the lips. It should not move from here and there. Yes, tell me, Urvi.
Don't know, ma'am.
Don't know. Okay, wait a second. Let's see our friends will answer or not. And we'll go with the next person. Yes, Shiva. Shiva, you are doing an action. What is this? Unmute. Can you unmute Shiva? Yes, unmute now, dear. What is the national
Satya Deva Jayate.
Satya Deva
Satyadeva.
Jayate? Wow, Satya Deva. From today onwards, instead of Satya Meva, we'll just tell Satya Deva Jayate. Given by Shiva. Satya Deva or Satya Meva? Satya Mev Jayate or Satya Dev Jayate? Or Satya Shiva Jayate?
Dev only, ma'am.
Satya Dev.
Yes, ma'am.
No, dear, it is not. Yes, Abhiram. Satya Abhiram Jayate. Is it that or Satya Meva Jayate or Satya Deva Jayate?
Satyameva Jayate.
Very good, Abhiram. See, this is the place where you people will do the mistake. Remember, it is Satya Mev Jayate. It is not Satya Dev. Okay? Satya Mev Jayate. Keep this word in your mind. Fingers are moving from the lips. I'll cut off your fingers now. It is going to move, Andhra. Keep your fingers on the lips. It should not move. And now we'll go with our next person. That is Manasu. Yes, Manasu. Manasu,
Yes,
shall I
ma'am.
ask? Which is the national
Yes, ma'am.
currency of India? National currency.
Ma'am, rupee.
Rupee. Very good. So again, this is an important question. In India, we use what? Rupees. Okay. Whenever you are going to deal with other countries, suppose you wanted to buy the products from other countries, means what you're going to do, whatever your Indian rupees is there, no, you're going to convert that rupees into their currency and then you're going to buy the product. Okay. And now we'll go with the next person. That is Bhuvana. Yes, Bhuvana. Unmute, Bhuvana. Bhuvana, can you unmute, dear? I don't know why you are not unmuting, Bhuvana. So fine. We'll go with the next person. That is Shubhan. Look at that smile. Yes, Shubhan.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, Shubhan, tell me the national festivals of India. There are three
And
national
Republic Day.
festivals.
Yes, ma'am. Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is on October 2nd. Independence Day is on August 15th, and Republic Day is on 26th Jan.
Every day is a Republic Day.
No, ma'am.
Every day, yes, it is. Because you
No,
are.
ma'am. It is not so special that India has something special happening on that day. The three main national festivals of India: Independence Day, that is the day when India got independence. Gandhi Jayanti, that is the day when our father of our nation, Gandhiji, was born. And Republic Day, when India when Swaraj, ma'am, I'm not sure with Republic Day, but I know that it is one of them.
Very good, dear. But still, it was a good attempt from your side. And now, Arush. Yes, Arush. What is the national river of Arush? Are you there, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
National river of India.
Ma'am, I just got the unmute option now.
Huh?
Ma'am, Ganga.
Sure.
Ma'am, Ganga.
Is it Ganga?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sure. What about
Yes,
Amazon 9? Amazon.
Ma'am, Amazon is not in India, ma'am.
Oh, seriously?
Yes, ma'am.
Then where it is there?
Ma'am, it's in America, ma'am.
Oh, seriously, it is in America.
Yes, ma'am.
I thought it is there on the sky.
Ma'am, it is not there in the sky, ma'am. Ma'am, no rivers are there in the sky.
Very good, dear. So the answer is Ganga. So Ganga is the national river of India. So whatever the question that I have taught you today, it's all about the India, and these are some of the expected questions. You will get it in your exams. So these are the basic things that you have to know. Got this? And so many people did not answer to some of my questions. Hope you got the answer for all the questions, students. So please keep all these things in your mind. Got this? So all of you understood today's session. Is there any doubt in today's session? And assignment, before coming on to your next session of mathematics, your simplification assignment must be completed. And the assignment, that was whatever I had taught you. I gave you one problem, right? I'll tell you that problem also. Wait. Later onwards, you will shout. That is 18 plus 16 divided by 4 of 2 minus 2 inside the square bracket 2 plus inside the flower bracket 2 into again inside your circle bracket 3 divided by 4 minus 2, and then you will close all the brackets. The first problem of your simplification should be written for 5 times in your formula book, and before coming on to your next session, you want to show me your book. If you're not showing your book, you will be directly removed from the session. If you want to continue in the session, you have to show the book first, and then I will move on to the next session. Got this? And Akshobhya, are you there in the session? And your work is tomorrow. As soon as I come to the session, you should remember me about the assignment. Will you do that? If you fails to do that, you will be removed instead of your friends. Achoo, no, you will tell, right? We'll see. How is your memory power? We'll just check that. Okay, Akshobhya, this is your duty. Fine. And I hope you all have enjoyed today's session, guys. And with this, let me wind up our today's session. And thank you all for attending the class. I hope you all have enjoyed the session. So bye-bye then. Have a nice day. And let us meet upon tomorrow with your assignment. So start writing it now. Bye-bye.